Hi, my name is Urwatuska. Today I will present for part 1 and part 2. So this is the network topology used in the project. For part 1, I configure all router with the required basic setting like assigning a host name, setting the encrypted enable secret JTMK05, configuring console and VTY password PKS 2025, and adding the MOTD banner authorized access only. For part 2, I configure HSRP on the Giga1 interface of both KCH1 and KCH2. I use HSRP version 2 and group number 1.
For part 3, we configured the HTTP services on both branch routers. On branch 1, we created the SBW_LAN pool for the 192.168.25.024 network, excluding the first 15 addresses for static devices. Similarly, on branch 2, we set up the MYY_LAN pool for 192.168.45.0/24 with the same exclusion range. Both pools are configured with the domain name jtmk.org and provide the respective router interfaces as default gateways. For part 4 involves OSPF configuration across all routers. We use process ID 25 and assign specific router IDs, which is 10.10.10.10 for KCH1, 20.20.20.20 for branch 1, 30.30.30 for branch 2, and 40.40.40.40 for KCH2. And we configured network segments with appropriate wildcard masks and made all LAN interfaces passive to prevent unnecessary OSPF traffic. Additionally, we adjusted the OSPF timers between KCH1 and ISP1, doubling the hello interval to 20 seconds and dead internet to 80 seconds for better stability over slower links.
Hello, I'm Melanie and I will present part 5 and part 6. So I'll start with part 5, static root configuration. The first one is configure an IPv4 static root. On KCH1, configure a directly connected IPv4 static default root. This primary default root should be through router ISP1. So here's the output. Next, on KCH1, configure a directly connected IPv4 floating static default root. This default root should be through router ISP2. It should have an administrative distance of 10. So here's the output. Okay, so I will present for part 6, verify connectivity. So for part 6, we need to verify all host connectivity to SNS technology server. All hosts should be able to ping the server and troubleshoot if necessary.